Hi there! If your Zendesk guide needs some improvement, we prepared a stunning solution. And these are our Zendesk themes. Today, we're going to show you a short walkthrough of the Odense theme. It is easy in customizing and changing and has a minimalistic design. With Odense theme by GrowthDot, you have all standard Copenhagen's options. Also, it allows to change such elements which you can switch in the default theme. Colors, images, search settings, or even much more. With Odense theme, you have an ability to change footer information and add needed links. Enable the article prettify. Article prettify provides advanced features for article content formatting to improve readability and improve the visual content. Enrich your articles with embedded videos, images, quote blocks, and others. Add formatting colorful blocks and make your articles much more attractive. Add navigation buttons to the footers. Set an alert. Show sidebar navigation and table of contents. Odense contains all valuable tools accounted for your daily work, so there's no need for fundamental changes. Odense is Zendesk theme, and in fact all of our themes work on any device from smartphone to widescreen. By the way, it works on all browsers. Keep in mind that theme installation is available for professional and enterprise plans. Besides, you can personalize your Odense theme using customization or branding services. An installation service is also available without any costs. That's why we strongly recommend just trying our Zendesk themes. You can also start your acquaintance with us from Dark Mode Theme. GrowthDot is an official partner of Zendesk, so it's another reason to test our apps and services and subscribe to our YouTube channel.